I told you the final chapter would be about the one part of the racket you're actually touching every single point of every single game. Most players never think about it. Most brands barely change it and yet get it wrong. And it can genuinely hurt your game and even your arm. That part is your grip. And today we're going to talk about the grip sizes G4, G5, G6, what the numbers mean, why they matter more than you think, and how to pick the right one for your hand. So, welcome to the chapter 5 of Understanding Badminton Rackets 101, the final chapter of the series. Before we move ahead, quick appeal, please subscribe with the bell icon on. This is the final chapter of the series, and coming up next is our first Q&A video where I'll answer every question you have been dropping in the comments. So subscribe, drop your questions below, and I'll cover them in the Q&A. Let's go hit that 50k subscribers goal. So coming back to the video, let's understand the grip sizes. So let's start simple. If you remember from chapter 2, the handle is the long grip at the bottom of your racket that you hold. And every handle has a size, how thick it is around, how much room your fingers wrap around it. And that's called grip size. Now here's the interesting part. Badminton rackets use a numbering system called G. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6 and so on. And guess what? It's just like the U system from the chapter 1. The numbers work backward. The higher the number G, the smaller the grip size. So naturally, G4 will be bigger than G5, G5 will be bigger than G6 and so on. Higher number, smaller grip size. And yes, it's the exact same backward logic as the U system for the weights. Now technically, the G system starts at G1, which is a huge grip size. But honestly, you'll almost never see G1, G2 or G3 in Indian badminton. Those are extremely rare. What you'll actually encounter and what matters for 99% of players in India are 3 grip sizes, G4, G5 and G6. So that's what we are going to focus on today. G4 is the largest of 3, around 3.25 inches around. G5 sits in the middle at around 3 inches and G6 is the smallest at around 2.75 inches. Small difference in numbers but big difference in how the racket feels in your hand. And here's why grip size matters more than most players think. Because you're gripping the racket for every single shot. So if the grip is wrong for your hand, your fingers work harder, your forearm tenses up, your wrist doesn't move freely, and over a time this can genuinely lead to arm pain, wrist injuries and even tennis elbow. So this isn't just about comfort, it's about your long-term game and your hand's health. So which grip size fits your hand? G4, G5 or G6? Check your current racket. The grip size is printed right on the handle, so usually on the butt cap or on the shaft. Drop a comment with your grip size, your hand size and how many over grips you use. I'll personally help you figure out if you have the right one. Every racket on God of Sports has the grip size listed clearly in the specification table, so you can shop by grip size directly. And that's it. That's chapter 5 and that's the whole series done. We have covered weight, balance point, shaft flexibility, frame shape and the grip size. 5 chapters, every single core spec on your badminton racket properly explained. And if you have watched all the 5 videos, you now genuinely understand rackets better than 95% of players in India. And honestly, that means a lot to me. I've started this series because a viewer asked me a simple question about 3U rackets, and that one question turned into 5 chapters, hours of shooting, weeks of editing and thousands of players learning something new. So genuinely thank you to every one of you who watched, subscribed, commented, shared this video with your badminton groups or reached out for a personal recommendation. This series exists because of you guys. And if you loved this series, please leave a like on this final chapter, share it with someone who's just getting into badminton and subscribe if you haven't yet, because there's a lot more interesting content coming on this channel. Till then, keep smashing and keep rocking that badminton code.